Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How we can sign up Canva and use its different features, how we can use its dashboard. First of all, you need to write Canva in the Google, and this is the first website, canva.com. Free design tool, presentation, video, social media. Click on it. On the top right corner you can see here is an option for sign up. Click on it. When you click on it, it will pop up different options. You can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook account. You can even sign up with your email account. So I have my Google account and I want to sign up with my this account. I click on it and it will open up in this way. Open up in front of you. Now you can unlock its different features. First thing is the window you are seeing here is its home window, where you can see documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, website, and many more. Click on more. You can see the more different things: infographics, photo collage, desktop wallpaper, graph, and many more. There are different features that you can unlock and use with different platforms. The second thing, which is very important in its dashboard, is templates. There are different kinds of templates available. You can see that when I click on templates, there is an option that I click on social media templates. Here are different templates for social media design. I can use these templates for different stories, Instagram stories, your Instagram reels, Facebook ads, and many others. When you click on all templates, it will show you all templates. Here are templates you can explore with. You can use these templates. These are the different kinds of templates. I want to just discuss a little bit of a template with different features. I click on YouTube thumbnails. Here are different kinds of thumbnails that I can use to design my YouTube thumbnails. I want to just click on this. This is the you can see that this is the pro version. These are different kinds of templates, and you can see that when there is a sign of this kind, $sign, here, these are the paid templates. You cannot use free this. So how you can check that the templates are free or not? When you drag your cursor up to that template, you can see that here it is said that it is paid, it is paid, it is not paid. This is not paid. I can use it freely. When I click on it, it will open in the window, and I can use this template for my social media designs. This is the template. You can drag down you can change its text, its colors, its pictures, everything. Just click on it, drag it. Social media. I have changed its text. In this way you can change its text, its picture. When you drag it down, it will be changed. You can delete it, you can add, duplicate, and all the things you can explore with it. These are different designs you can use with, and here An important thing is that these are the designs with this kind of pro indication. These are not free. These are available in the pro version of this uh, Canva, but all the others that are not showing in this way, these are free. These are the free designs and templates that you can use in your different kinds of designs. But the pro versions, here you can see that these are the pro version. This is the pro version, and this is again a pro version. This is the free version. In this way you can explore different kinds of templates. When you click on elements, there are different elements, figures, designs that you can explore with, you can use in your videos, your designs. Everything is available. If you don't find anything, you can search, write its name here, and you can search it out easily. When you click on upload, you can here click on upload files. You can browse something from your computer and upload here for your design making. You can record yourself, and you can see the uploaded images that you have uploaded already. You can, in this way, you can also create drag media here to upload or connect an account. You can drag your media files here and upload those files. You can also click here to upload your audio which is saved in your PC to be included in your videos on the Canva. And this way you can do different kinds of activities. When you click on text, here is available different kinds of texts which you can explore with and use in different kinds of social media posts, projects. Different kinds of projects that you have already completed will be available for you. If you haven't completed any project, will not appear to you. In this way you can explore its different features, its apps. Different kinds of apps are available. You can also use those apps for your PC, for your computer. And the images, these are the images of different kinds of apps that you can explore with. So this is the dashboard of Canva, and which is very simple to use. You can search special templates, special elements like money. Click on money, the template with money will appear in front of you. When you click on finance, the template with finance appear in front of you. Investment, click on it, the template with this kind of features will appear in front of you. So this is the dashboard. We will move further in other videos to explore its more features. So stay tuned with me so that you can learn every aspect of Canva software. Thank you so much.